is your solution, I'll take that to mean the combination of Cordant and Tigera Calico, is your solution adapted to a public hospital? And I think the answer is absolutely. In fact, while I didn't mention it earlier, Cordant does apply multi-tenancy. And so you have the ability to isolate those workloads and have the confidence both from an execution perspective and an access perspective in terms of Calico's solution to know that you've separated those things in a way that you can have confidence in and it's real. So absolutely, when you think about a public hospital, I know that there are some really innovative solutions being considered for hospitals. One answering patient requests, for example, simple patient requests with a chat bot that may be simple health requests. This is revolutionary, certainly in such a regulated environment. And the combination of Cordant, the ability to place, say, a Kubernetes cluster in that hospital edge, maybe dedicated to a ward, even maybe down to a few rooms, if you had a particular use case where you have a situation where you have rooms dedicated to specific medical outcomes. And then you can have the confidence that they're secured because the service mesh and service discovery, you deploy your app in there, and then it's only talking amongst itself, maybe amongst those rooms or that ward. And if you've got a central service, you can make sure that that path is safe. And if you had a large language model or maybe just a traditional compute workload, you could answer those requests from either that central service or once again, that edge, wherever that happens to be in the building or campus. So public hospitals are a great use case for this kind of capability. And I think a real interesting frontier for AI services.